Hello, Dev community. Molly Fuchel here, your president at Dynamics User Group.
And I'm Brianna Sierra, member manager, and we're here to answer your most frequently asked questions about DynamicsCon Virtual.
First off, one of the most popular questions we get is, when will that agenda be available? So of course, the agenda again is composed of sessions that were voted on by you, the Dev community. This agenda will be launching on October 8th, so very soon, and you'll be able to see full session details, including the title, the session description, and of course our wonderful speakers, all listed on both our website and our event platform, Brella. So for those of you that have been with us for some time, we have used Brella in the past, but Brianna, why don't you tell some of our first-time attendees what Brella is and where they can find it?
Brella is not only our event app, but also the web platform where we'll be live streaming the event on November 13th. Brella will be your one-stop shop for all of your DynamicsCon virtual resources, including the full agenda, attendee networking, virtual sponsor booths, updates from Doug, and so much more. So you can get started in Brella by using the join code DynamicsCon Virtual.
Another question we get quite often is, can I participate in multiple tracks throughout DynamicsCon Virtual? Yes, you absolutely can. So we do run the 6 tracks simultaneously throughout the day, and the platform easily allows you to go from one track to another, depending on where your interest lies for our entire conference agenda throughout the day. So just like our in-person event DynamicsCon, if you're feeling a little VC this hour and a little GP the next, or a little bit of Power Platform in between, you have access to all of those sessions at any time.
There's a lot of amazing content going on at this conference, but what if there's a session that I missed that I want to see? You're in luck. All DynamicsCon virtual sessions will be recorded and posted onto our YouTube channel shortly after the event. So if there's your favorite session that you want to rewatch, or if there's a session that you missed, you can catch it on our YouTube.
Last but certainly not least is, many of you are wondering, can I ask questions during the event? Absolutely. We're so glad that people ask this question. So for those of you, again, who are newer to DynamicsCon Virtual, we find it is so vital that you're able to connect with our speakers, and not the next day, the next week, or the next month later, but right alongside when that session is happening. So you will find a convenient chat located right next to the stream that you're watching the session in, and our speakers with intention set aside 5 to 10 minutes after each of their sessions to make sure they answer your questions that are in that chat. As well as we have wonderful fellow participants from the community who you're welcome to engage with, and we also have moderators as well to help curate those questions to the speakers. So definitely don't be shy, get engaged, be involved, and we're so excited to see your commentary come through.
Be sure to check out our full FAQ page at dynamicscon.com/virtual and keep up with all of our social channels so that you don't miss any updates and announcements from Doug.
Thank you so much, Dev community, for participating with Brianna and I today on some of the most frequently asked questions surrounding DynamicsCon Virtual, and we will see you on November 13th.
Catch you at DynamicsCon Virtual.
Take care. Bye.